Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Steph and I have a deep conditioner demo and review for you. I'm showing it to you like it is in focus and obviously it's not, but this is the Porosity Natural Rice Water and Chia Seed Pudding Hair and Scalp Mask. I'm going to show you the consistency in a second, or at least I thought I was. Nope, I am not. I'm going to toss this t-shirt off of my hair and get ready to start applying this with the first section. My hair, I shampooed it with Product Junkie Naturals Curl Clarity shampoo, and I do enjoy that shampoo, but I'm obviously in need of a good deep conditioner. I'm sniffing it. To me, it's a pleasant scent, but it's more unisex. It's not a man scent, but then it's not a woman scent, but it could work for everybody. It's an interesting scent. Has a good amount of thickness. I'm very pleased with the thickness of this deep conditioner. So I'm going to rub it in between my hands and start applying it. Thinking about how this feels, how I'm enjoying it, and so far, so good. Separating that hair to go ahead and get in between, try to get every strand of hair. I'm really enjoying how it's applying to my hair. I'm going to smooth a little bit more in that crown section. It did not take a lot of product. I went right here and grabbed a little bit. Oh, I was excuse me, y'all. I was taking this shed hair out of my hand and then I grabbed some more product. And it didn't take a lot of product. In fact, I have several more uses in this 12-ounce container. So I just wanted to make sure I had enough applied to my hair. Very pleased. Once I got that little extra bit more, y'all, it was just applying so well to my hair. I'm super happy. Let me tell y'all a little bit more about the product. It is infused with chia seed oil, prickly pear extract, and baobab protein. So it has the baobab protein and it also has the rice water, which does have strengthening aspects to it. So keep that in mind. It says to use this every 2 to 4 weeks. Of course, because of the protein, this is not a conditioner that you need to use every week. So give your hair some TLC by improving the overall health of your curly cues with our rice water and chia seed pudding hair and scalp mask formula. Our formula is rich with vital nutrients needed to make your hair perform at its very best. It penetrates and repairs dull, dry hair, revitalized from roots to end, and leaves hair soft, shiny, and manageable. Helps to moisturize, increases elasticity, strengthen, promote growth, prevent hair fall, and nourish both the hair, strands, and scalp. Great for all hair types. You guys, it has a lot of claims on it. So I'm going ahead, applied it to all of this section. I'm going to go ahead and twist it on up, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the front section application. But the reason I started with this Porosity Natural product review, you guys, this was one of the first products I got in from Black Friday. Their shipping was so fast. I was very pleased with that. Nothing to say wrong with the company. In fact, I love how fast the shipping was. They had a really good sale going on, and this product has wonderful ingredients. Of course, we've got water. The second ingredient is the organic fermented rice water, BTMS, aloe vera leaf juice, cetyl alcohol, chia seed oil, honey quat, beet sugar extract, and then it goes on and on with some other great, wonderful ingredients. So I'm loving what it's doing for my hair, how it's feeling in my hair. I like how, even though I did not detangle prior to applying this, I like how it's going through my strands pretty easily. It is allowing me to go ahead and smooth it through easily, finger detangle lightly, and getting ready for the next step in the deep conditioning process. So this was very, very, very easy to apply. So if you're thinking about purchasing this product, think about that. It's not super thick where it's just making it almost just hard or impossible to apply to your head. So I'm going to go ahead and twist up this section, get that all twisted up in my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that last top section off camera. So I'm going to do that section off camera, and y'all know how I do with my deep conditioner. So I've got now my 4 different sections I'm going to put on my hot head and deep condition it. Finish the process. Back, you guys, I have had on my hot head bed for 30 minutes. And let me take off this Kroger bag. Let's see how my hair, ooh, hair feels good. Oh, my hair feels really nice. Hair feels really, really good. Hair feels so soft and so moisturized with this mask. I mean, slippity slip, lots of slip going on, lots of softness going on. So, I mean, y'all know I'm pleased with that alone. Yeah. So, ready to go ahead and rinse it out and see how my hair feels after I rinse it out. But I will say this mask did a great job of absorbing into my hair. As you can see, well, now you can see kind of some white stuff as I squeeze it through, but you can't really see it in the other sections unless I was like to twist and squeeze. But for the most part, it really did a great job absorbing into my hair. I'm back. I just got out the shower from rinsing out my hair from the rice water and chia seed pudding hair and scalp mask from Porosity Naturale. So let's see how my hair is looking. While rinsing it out, it still felt really, really good. I detangled in the shower with a shower comb or a wide tooth comb, and it felt so good, y'all. My hair, it feels good. I am extremely pleased. This has penetrated. It has left my hair very much so moisturized and in my feeling ready to do the wash and go. So to sum it up, I would definitely repurchase this again. This gets 2 thumbs up. This is a wonderful hair mask. Had lots of slip, very moisturizing, penetrated my hair. Hair after rinsing it out still feels very soft, still feels moisturized and ready to go ahead and proceed through the wash day process. So that's my thoughts on Porosity Naturale's hair mask. It's pretty much wonderful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.